in Africa.
Perhaps.
Neo-colonialism.
Perhaps.
You are still there stealing our resources, using our resources to develop your countries, and you don't want us to come here. You are asking how should you guys react when we come here?
Example, how are we supposed to react?
Imagine a thief steals your television, your TV, and you go to his house to watch a soccer game. How should the thief react? Exactly. Just be quiet.
Watch this video.
Like, how are Europeans supposed to act or react when Africans are pouring in from everywhere at the moment?
They should accept them.
They should just be like, oh, come, take our homes, take
They
the
should
jobs,
accept
take
Africans.
everything.
Because when you guys came in mass to Africa,
But that was so long ago. I don't,
that
cannot even bring
was so
it in
long
now
ago.
anymore.
But your companies are still there looting Africa.
Perhaps.
Neo-colonialism.
Perhaps.
You are still there stealing our resources, using our resources to develop your countries, and you don't want us to come here. You are asking how should you guys react when we come here?
Example, how are we supposed to react?
Imagine a thief steals your television, your TV, and you go to his house to watch a soccer game. How should the thief react? Exactly. Just be quiet.
Watch this video.
Like, how are Europeans supposed to act or react when Africans are pouring in from everywhere at the moment?
They should accept them.
They should just be like, oh, come, take our homes, take
They
the
should
jobs,
accept
take
Africans.
everything.
Because when you guys came in mass to Africa,
But that was so long ago. I don't,
that
cannot even
was
bring
so
it in
long
now
ago.
anymore.
But your companies are still there looting Africa.
Perhaps.
Neo-colonialism.
Perhaps.
You are still there stealing our resources, using our resources to develop your countries, and you don't want us to come here. You are asking how should you guys react when we come here?
Example, how are we supposed to react?
Imagine a thief steals your television, your TV, and you go to his house to watch a soccer game. How should the thief react? Exactly. Just be quiet.
Watch this video.
Like, how are Europeans supposed to act or react when Africans are pouring in from everywhere at the moment?
They should accept them.
They should just be like, oh, come, take our homes, take
They
the
should
jobs,
accept
take
Africans.
everything.
Because when you guys came in mass to Africa,
But that was so long ago. I don't,
that
cannot even
was
bring
so
it in
long
now
ago.
anymore.
But your companies are still there looting Africa.
Perhaps.
Neo-colonialism.
Perhaps.
You are still there stealing our resources, using our resources to develop your countries, and you don't want us to come here. You are asking how should you guys react when we come here?
Example, how are we supposed to react?
Imagine a thief steals your television, your TV, and you go to his house to watch a soccer game. How should the thief react? Exactly. Just be quiet.
Watch this video.
Kidnappers go police station. Kidnappers go police station. Go report say their ransom money no complete. Police leave kidnappers. Come arrest person wey pay the ransom. Why?
Like seriously, eh? Kidnapper complain give police. Say person wey come pay ransom. Say collect money for inside. Say the money not complete. Then instead of the police to go after the kidnapper, they can't go after the person who paid the ransom.
Kidnappers go police station. Kidnappers go police station. Go report say their ransom money no complete. Police leave kidnappers. Come arrest person wey pay the ransom. Why?
Like seriously, eh? Kidnapper complain give police. Say person wey come pay ransom. Say collect money for inside. Say the money not complete. Then instead of the police to go after the kidnapper, they can't go after the person who paid the ransom.
Kidnappers go police station. Kidnappers go police station. Go report say their ransom money no complete. Police leave kidnappers. Come arrest person wey pay the ransom. Why?
Like seriously, eh? Kidnapper complain give police. Say person wey come pay ransom. Say collect money for inside. Say the money not complete. Then instead of the police to go after the kidnapper, they can't go after the person who paid the ransom.
Kidnappers go police station. Kidnappers go police station, go report, say their ransom money no complete. Police leave kidnappers, come arrest person wey pay the ransom. Why?
I'm gonna kill you. Like seriously, eh? Kidnap.
Never mind, tell the local they go where you been. My mom will not have a man cabu for the enemy. He more men even can echo. Oh,
you will when?
Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
They say you.
Oh, my second name wrong. I can name of my Nino. I can name of my Nina. Where can I get when I go? What you got all that well wrong? You call her when I don't go when the moon go. Never mind, tell the local they go where you been. My mom will not have a man cabu for the enemy. He more men even can echo. Oh,
you will when?
Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
They say you.
Oh, my second name wrong. I can name of my Nino. I can name of my Nina. Where can I get when I go? What you got all that well wrong? You call her when I don't go when the moon go. Never mind, tell the local they go where you been. My mom will not have a man cabu for the enemy. He more men even can echo. Oh,
you will when?
Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
They say you.
Oh, my second name wrong. I can name of my Nino. I can name of my Nina. Where can I get when I go? What you got all that well wrong? You call her when I don't go when the moon go. Never mind, tell the local they go where you been. My mom will not have a man cabu for the enemy. He more men even can echo. Oh,
you will when?
Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
They say you.
Oh, my second name wrong. I can name of my Nino. I can name of my Nina. Where can I get when I go? What you got all that well wrong? You call her when I don't go when the moon go. Never mind, tell the local they go where you been. My mom will not have a man cabu for the enemy. He more men even can echo. Oh,
Because you are sounding like somebody who knowledge of argument. Educated argument. You have to listen to me. Okay? Maybe not mega address that time. Maybe voice note mega address. Listen. In a junior opportunity to cancel fundraising. He got the opportunity to declare Biafra in Finland. Every power that she exercises was given to her by the Biafran people who elected our prime minister, and the prime minister made him the chief of staff. By the virtue of that office, she stands the opportunity to take over from the prime minister should anything happen to him. Whether he is in jail, whether he is dead, whether anything happens to him. The first person that Biafrans will rally around will be the chief of staff. That is the natural running of government. I know you have people who have experience in whatever you people are doing. Tell them to tell you the truth if you don't know, okay? Don't be calling everybody and be talking like this. The power was given to her by the Biafran people. We just finished convention. Biafrans needed that moment to recover because it's money that we're going to pay. People needed to come home, settle down, and then take a fresh breath, and then come out and do fundraising. You didn't come out to do fundraising because you wanted to help. You came out to do fundraising because you needed to use it to mobilize support. And that is exactly what you did. That is the same lie you lied to men on ground. You lied to them, and you know it don't get it. Stop running your mouth like this. Look, I am not the type of person you will call. I have told you before, whenever you call me, jot down your points. Don't just come here and be running from east to the west. That's not how I roll. I know my onions. If you need education about how to run government, you can call on me, okay? We have prime minister. We do not have elected officials. We don't have Senate. We don't have House of Assembly. We don't have honorable members. We only have elected prime minister, which is unicameral system. That's what we have. The prime minister has selected people who will work with him. Those people he will mobilize so that they will vote during cabinet meetings. Okay? The same cabinet meeting that dissolved CRC. Cabinet dissolved CRC. Are you not aware of that? You think this is market women? If you go to court, you may go to jail. I'm telling you, they said from this. If you want to call me, get your points right. Okay? Biafran people get her right to cancel fundraising and put it next time. The one in organize, you do this, everything you. Prime Minister selected you to be his finance minister. So you are working for him. You owe it to him to come up with some good ways of raising money. That's why you're a finance minister. So when you come up with some kind of ingenuity that will be helpful and he adopts it, that doesn't mean that you are making that authority. No, that authority is still Prime Minister's authority. And whenever the Prime Minister is not there, the Chief of Staff will be next in that chain of command, not you. You are just a finance minister. Even when it comes to chain of command, you don't even come before defense. Okay? Go and sit down. Ask people who know if you don't know. You want to plank up the tire in Biafra and think we will sit around and watch you? You are getting some people angry. We are just keeping quiet though, because I want the Igbo. And I am in Igbo now. You are winning. I'm sorry for you. People are deceiving you. If at all when do not walk somewhere and I push you and destroy Biafra, you cannot destroy Biafra. Let me tell you right now. We are in this struggle. We are keeping quiet doesn't mean that we don't know anything. What's wrong with you? Look at it here. In authority. But if you need authority, you can form more government. Who gave you the authority? The CRC to vote for you. CRC was dissolved. It was dissolved by duly constituted Biafra Republic government in exile cabinet. Okay? They were dissolved. Was it reconstituted by who and when? You went and you called them because they are your courts, and they did some kind of backyard election.
Exactly.
Call your name and you think, hey, look, let me also warn you. You see that lobbyist, when you go to jail, he will not go to jail with you. Yeah, he's pushing you. He will reckon now how mislead in the African ball. It's serious in here, Biafra. It's serious. It doesn't matter who is leading. You keep supporting with everything in you to make sure I get the Biafra. To destroy. That's what you are doing. To tear everywhere down. You better tell Butuzo. Nobody's after him. Okay? We want everybody to leave and go inside Biafra together. Stop threatening people. Biafra has a lot of people who are willing and ready to fight for Biafra. Okay? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it now. You call me here, man, you go audience. Why are you running away? Because you don't want to hear the truth. So to brag around and not go shash. Gonna social media. Somebody now whatever program on nebu. Now so ga bidon na ga na family in the matter. Now look at what a Biafran is saying. People who are fighting for Biafra. Onye na-ekwe n'ihe ikwu ga both denga. Yeah, what's how we. How do we know that the Kebu go to have Bushiga? Never mother will keep a platform nonsense like this. Now I roll and buy a bit of questions. What is happening? This is too appalling. We cannot continue like this. Whether you like it or not, Biafra will come. But I'm telling you, desist from this. I'm not going to the US here. Don't think that you are doing this thing that we are going to keep quiet. Time I swear to God. Time I okay, no problem. Go ahead. Keep doing the same thing.
To everyone here, everyone, not just mouthpiece of the gods. If you are in this group is not created by your mother, Ngozi or Abez. This group is created by the finance minister to do the bidding of the Biafran people and to sponsor the lobby. If you are in this group, kindly leave this group. Don't be here and be causing this rubbish. And whatever I send to mouthpiece of the gods, if you're one of them, it will actually happen the same way. Whatever consequences mouthpiece is going to go through. And somebody say she is mouthpiece of the gods. What God? Chineke kpọọ here. Kedu Chineke nke mara? Enyere m unu assignment. Go and ask that your God. Who am I? What's wrong with you people? The same mouthpiece, when you have problem with Josh, didn't I settle that problem? You used to call me. If you have a problem, why can't you call me? This is a government that I'm part of the formation of this government. How do you think I will destroy the same government that I'm part of from the beginning? What's wrong with people? Here for a mouthpiece here, it will happen to anyone. If you forcefully accuse me, the cost will follow you. And anything that I utter, anything that I say about anyone, I don't just speak. I speak, I wash my word, I select my word carefully.
Thank you.
Sudden change. So I'm working on how to.
What we are going to present to Biafrans today is something that we have been working on this for months. Because I know that some of us will be asking why now, why not before? Because a lot of things has happened already, but it's always better to do something about something that even if it's almost spoiled, you still do something about it and try to, correct it. Our house has been going through serious issues for the past almost 6 months now, because the whole thing started in February, actually, early February. So 6 months, 5.5 months, we have been going through serious issue in the house. We thought we could resolve it just in the house without even bringing it to the cabinet. Just the advisory council. We tried everything, it didn't work out. It continued to deteriorate until somebody made it public. A member of the advisory committee made it public. And for some people who will like to blame CRC for not doing what we are doing now, for not doing it 2-3 months, before, please understand this. What you don't know is bigger than you. What we always do is we try to repair things inside the house. We don't bring it out because, excuse me, sorry, let me shut down my phone. I'm sorry.
Take your time, we're here. Take your time. Take your time, because
okay.
CRC himself.
So we always try to address issues without coming public, without coming to tell Biafrans. Because in every house, there is always a dispute, there is always misunderstanding, but we don't bring it out to the whole Biafrans or the whole world. First, you try to, settle it amicably within the house. If it doesn't work, then we can take a step further. That's why we are here today. What we are going to present to you today, some of you, if you are surprised, please don't feel disappointed that we didn't do it before, because some of you will say, oh, a lot of things has, gone astray. No. So the issue of calling this meeting a joint meeting of CRC, BSC, and cabinet is to let you people know that our APM has been suspended by the CRC.
Okay. That's number one. Then, because they are the one that made the ATM. Okay, that APM, because I prefer to call him ATM. For some of you guys, if you are like, what are you talking about? APM of 24 bag was molded and manufactured by CRC. They are the one that mold that APM. I'm talking about the position or that office. It wasn't the plan of Biafra. Nobody knows that. Okay, like I said, let us hear from him before I say what I want to say. Just few things that I would like to add. But please make sure you like the video. Like I said, let us. I mean, I want to see reactions. I want to know how you will feel. What is your own opinion about this move they made? The only thing you need to understand is both APM, both CRC, both advisory committee, or whatever I think. What is the abbreviation? I can't remember. All this thing was manufactured by Imam Madabu and the clique. Though I'm coming to that, just listen.
Because we have tried everything possible to let him know that Biafrans are not happy with him, that Biafrans are complaining. We use every kind, all languages, anywhere, the way we could, we all of us in the BSC, the advisory council, we tried every step. From February till now, we have been trying every week. Sometimes we call extra emergency meeting he wouldn't even come. So,
because that's the same thing that happened when, before the convention. Well, I think before after convention, because they called him. I think after convention, before the convention rather, they called him to when he said there's no money in the account. I've said this many times here. When he said there's no money in the account, and that unless if they need money, maybe he will borrow them his own money. In fact, when he ended up.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah, loud and clear.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. I'm here today. First of all, I'm going to say thank you for those of you that are here, and thank you for those of you that will watch this later. I extend my warmest greeting to Briggy.
Wait for the camera small. Can you go get it off? Made the phone. Move the phone.
Move your gather. Even though. Okay. So I can move myself, not the phone. Okay. Can you see me?
Move yourself.
Yes. Okay. I greet all Biafrans all over the world. Wherever you are, I extend my warmest greeting. The reason I'm here today is to put some false, fabricated information flying out there straight. As you all know, Biafran Republic Government in Exile was registered March 8, 2023 in the state of Maryland by Honorable Isaiah Anyogo, aka Ogechukwu Nkere. Ogechukwu Nkere was the agent for the registration. Then we had 5 other board members with our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, as the president. That was in March 2023. Then it happened that there was an amendment that was called for because of some people, board members, that were taken out. I won't call their name, yes, but we have 3 board members that were taken out. But be mindful, Ogechukwu Nkere is the registrar agent. And the agent, what the agent does is to communicate between the state and the board. So if anything later goes to our office, because he is in Maryland where the office is, anything that comes in, Ogechukwu Nkere is supposed to inform the board members plus the president, and the president was PM Obata Obie. So that's the work, that's the job of an agent, registrar agent. I was the secretary starting from day 1. I was the secretary plus these 4 other board members, including myself, that made it 5. Surprisingly, last month, somebody brought amendment to my attention saying that Ogechukwu Nkere had changed the Article of Incorporation to take out, remove APM, removed our PM, Simon Ekpa, who is the president of this Briggy Biafran government in exile and replace it with himself without any of the board members and me as the secretary knowing. I only knew this by somebody bringing it to my attention. It was a fraud. It is unbelievable that nobody in the organization knew that this kind of amendment took place. So right now, Ogechukwu Nkere is the president of Biafra. And me, as Adazayan secretary, his secretary that I don't even know. Without my knowledge, I did not know. He did not inform me. He wrote my name in there for him as a secretary. It's a fraud. It is unbelievable that this will happen in our Biafra, that we are trying to get our freedom. So we're going back to Nigeria. This is exactly what Nigeria does. Exactly. And this takes me to the account too. Now I know why Ogechukwu Nkere has made himself the sole owner of Biafra's account. Biafran people, you all need to listen. There's never a time this is done anywhere in the world. For one person making himself a president, being the finance minister. Please, Biafrans, we have a problem. We have a big problem, especially forging my name as his secretary without me knowing it. I am saddened. It hurts knowing that somebody will use my name in a situation like this. Biafra is not a small thing. It's not an organization that is
I greet all of you. Thank you very much for this short period of time. It's a kind of, first of all, the first one is an apology to European RED and all the European members. And for you, we received the letter, the complaint you sent to us, to both CRC and the BAC, the Advisory Council. But due to time constraint, we have been very busy. I know all of you know that we just came back, some of us came back from Finland just 2 days ago. So, and that letter was sent, I think, the period we were leaving for Finland. So we didn't have time. Up to now, I've not read that letter. I don't know the content. I just saw it. I just clicked it, but I didn't read it because of time. And our general secretary, the same thing. She has not opened it even because she's very busy. We're all busy. And then we got the information that of course, we understand everybody when you are complaining. If you send something and there's not even acknowledgement letter, of course, nobody will be happy. So I apologize on behalf of CRC and on behalf of and so for that delay. We will work on that. Of course, we are not. It's not that we are ignoring the letter. Not at all. We will do that. It's not the way we operate. It's just a matter of time. Give us time, please. we will address it and we will respond to you. So it's just it's not an oversight that we did not respond. It's just a matter of time. We didn't have the time. So please forgive us for that delay. You will still hear from us. The second part of what we would like to present to you the account issue that has been discussed over and over and over and over, and the advisory council has been working on that, and today we have a good news for Biafrans and for all of you here. First of all, our webmaster is here with us, Honorable Azu. He will give you people more information about the new account.
No, put yourself on mute.
Okay, so sorry for that interruption. Our webmaster, who is Honorable Azu, is here to talk to us, and he will give you people more information about our new account and how we are going to make use of it. So, our Honorable Azu, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Over to you. The mic is in your table. Thank you very much. Over to you.
Okay. So I greet all Biafrans in Europe. I hope everyone can hear me okay.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay.
Are you recording your meeting? Because I can't see it. Go ahead, Honorable Azu.
No, I'm not recording. Should I record it? Yes. Okay.
Yeah, you should. Yeah.
Please.
Thank you.
This meeting is being recorded.
For the reminder.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. So my just brief message is that we all know how things have developed in since December in Finland. With Ngozi and her group, we took some emergency steps to address the leadership vacuum, and we elected our APM, which those were the emergency steps we took at that time, and we believe it has been it served its purpose, and now we BAC has resolved that the government needs to transition to more normal operations, and one major feature of normal operations is having a clear separation between the executive and finance. And so the steps that BAC has taken today is the changing of the bank account to which our websites and contribution platforms are linked. So at this stage, Biafrans will be able to go and contribute on the websites the way that they normally do, and it will be, it will go to an account that's managed by the advisory council. So that is the update that we have, and I don't know if anyone has any questions on that, but that's the decision that we made today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Azu. And thank you for all you do.
And I want to mention that there is someone here that does not belong here. I saw their camera just a few minutes ago, and I just hope that the hosts are taking steps to remove anyone that does not belong here. If someone does not, the only people that should be able to unmute and to share their screen should be the host. This person named Alex, I don't know who he is. I don't know which country he's in, but there's someone here that does not belong here.
Is it, I think it's Alex from Israel?
Alex from Israel.
Okay. So it's not
Free.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I think Vam is here. I believe he can with.
Give me attention, sir.
Yeah. No. You know what we were talking about intruders. We are talking about intruders. For you to be careful, you and Honorable Abi. I think that's what Honorable Brazu was trying to say. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Brazu. I don't know if there is any question. I mean, the account, I think it's clear. He made it. He said it all. Or do we have any question for him? Since he's here, he can address it right away.
I have one hand up.
Okay.
Engineer Nani, Honorable. Yeah,
good evening, all.
Please, we need to know that this meeting shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. So that
just this question and then that's it. Hey, people are ready because it's important if they have issues. Go ahead, please, quickly.
My question is pertaining the new account changed anyway, and because we are making payments, it might be tomorrow or today. The procedure we are using the government.
All right, I welcome all of you. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I would like to encourage you to join, Ikemba, through the Zoom link. I'm gonna post this here. All right, I welcome all of you. Please make sure you like the video. I will drop the Zoom link, and I want you to follow through Zoom link. That the Zoom link, if you don't mind. The Zoom link is for you to encourage them. All right. So if you don't mind, you can join them there and support them if you can. Very, very important. So we're gonna start.
We believe that we find everything will be okay. So at this junction, I want to invite our governor to open this meeting. The words from her. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lest I forget, you man tomorrow night, Biko, Anama Onito, Father Anthony, watching Biko, do I in a short prayer? Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening. How are you? We are good. Okay, let us begin. Nafana na mwana mwanso. Amen. Enyemaka anyị dị n'afọ Onyenwe anyị, onye mere n'igwe naanị. Chineke nna, onye okike nke ife niile. Anyị bụ ụmụ gị agbakọta n'ọnụ n'ụbọchị taa. Anyị na-ekelekọta gị maka ndụ nke ị nyere anyị. Anyị nwere ọtụtụ ihe anyị ga-eji wee jaa gị mma. Anyị akụ ntachapa nche niile. Mana anyị ma na ọgụ nwa bụ onye nwe ọkpụkpọ ụwa, nke ọ bụ onye nwe ndụ. Eziokwu na ndị ụfọdụ na-ahapụ ọrụ inye maka ewere agụgụ isi anyị wee na-arụ ọrụ, ma were wee na-arụ ọrụ ọjọọ. Ma anyị na-arịọ ka igbochiere anyị ụdị ndị dị otu a. Fanụ katakwara afọ anyị anya. Ọ bụrụ na afọ anyị fanụ n'iru ka anyị nọrọ n'azụ fanụ ọkwa n'azụ ka anyị nọrọ n'iru. Akụkọ ọrụ na fanụ ka anyị nọrọ opoziti ya na-eme fanụ afọ ihe fanụ eme. Ma anyị na-arịọ ka igbochiziere anyị ajụ ihe niile bụ ihe na-aga n'akụ nke be anyị. Anyị nyere ekele. O nwere posti nse ndị mmadụ na-eme afọ post some people na-etata the old one. So anyị na-arịọ ka ijiri aka gị wee na-asụchara anyị ọhịa ndị a nke anyị abanwuru n'ime ya. Mana anyị ma na gọvanọ ịmazuru ọhịa niile ndị anyị na-ekwu maka ya. Anyị na-arịọzi ka inyekwu ikike na ụmụ gị ndị ịrọpụtara ebe na-agba mbọ. Oge ụfọdụ ọ na-esi ike, ma ga-ekwekwana ka anụ arụ anyị otu isi kwu n'akwụkwọ nsọ kpọchiri anyị azụ merie mmụọ nke na-atụga anyị iru maka na ịgwara anyị si na mmụọ kwere ekwe mana anụ arụ ezuru oke. So anyị na-arịọ ka ịgbaziere anyị n'akụkụ anụ arụ ahụ nke ezuru oke na ọ were na-abanye n'ime anyị n'ọgụ anyị na-ahụ. Anyị na-ahanyekwazi n'aka gị niile bụ ndị na-achị anyị achị bido n'ọnwa niile maazị Nnamdi Kanu. So far stories anyị na-enwe ọbụ content creator na ọhụrụ I think ọ na-adị good. His evangelization na-adị wonderful. Anyị na-ekelekwazi maka maazị Simon Ekpa ọkachasị oge onye oge okwuru okwu from cell okwuru okwu kene gọọmenti ndị France kene Traore for those important things. Anyị na-abụ na-egosi anyị ihu ọnwa n'obodo ndị a ka ekpere na maka Biafra. Onye n'ikpeazụ anyị gbaa mbọ ka ike aghara site n'aka onye ndu anyị kịta bụ Dr. Ngozi Orabaeze our DPM. Gọzie ya, gọzie nwaada nke ịrụ ụka wee na-achịkọta anyị na steeti anyị. Gọzie Honorable Dominion masị na-akpọ ọtazie afa na nkịta because achọghị m ịkpọ afa mana anyị na-ekene gị otu isi wee du echekwa.
Maka ndị na-ajụ kedu ndị a na-ege, you are watching a live program from Ikemba State, please. This is Ikemba State, not this from Ikemba State, please, not CRC. We have moved away from that one. We have moved away from that. This is U.S.B. state, so please, not here CRC.
Am I coming out? Well,
yes.
Okay. Good evening, all. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you find yourself. Ana m ekene onye ọbụla asị m Ikemba kwenu Ikemba nwenu Ikemba nwe ndị ọma njem ọnụ asị m ọ ga-adịrị anyị niile mma. Ana m eji olileanya kịta wee na-echeta our president ọhamadike ụwa niile gba gburugburu. Ọkwa a na-aga etukata ya ụfọdụ asị na akpọzi ọgwụchukwu ọkwa nke onye ma eji esi ya. Anyị na-ekene ndị ọma niile nke ọ na-eme na anyị fụrụ aka ya ekenekwa ya ka o sue na odokwanụ sikwa ike maka ama na ọ dịrị izi mụnwa na onwe ma mmekwu ihe ọ na-eme but he's doing it because of us for betterment of all our families both born and unborn. And that's not ga-adịrị ya mana ọ ga-adị ka etinyechi aja abụọ ya.
The voice we are hearing is the Ikemba State governor.
We have gotten it already. We are now a nation. We are no more agitating. We are no more in a group. Now that's the United States of Biafra. Going to Makia, when on ever on I went again. And when I can always ever on a web. Now you're watching again and listening and what cable Simon ever. Only in Cassie, Abo said, don't let the devil enter you or better. Or send me, I'm 50 in one. So I said, I find a good time. You never change, you never deviate. And that's not that area. Never on and I'm going to track and say about running in a chair garden. And that let you might get with here. I am what I hear. So I can let it up from wrong. Our mother, the Deborah of our own time, our Esther. I'm talking of Dr. Ngozi Orabaeze. One has seen her protect the mandate on the one as never surrogate or question to accord one of on us or could say now by a funny nana where you now to the center. Machine again and it blew the net as they are. I see a wada, a gavano for you again, the Alimano Manta. No one knows to see. Now is what Olokana teacher. Randiba and again, you want it one as sick. I never hear more. Onye na-atụrụ aja nwoke mmụọ anyị na-ekwu ọ dịka ya si na omee ọtọ ka ya ghọtara ihe mmụọ pụtazie anyị ada ama na ihe mmụọ apụtago maka na iche nke ị na-anya ịfụ na.
Please, you can join them through to this. You can join them in the Zoom through the link that I posted here.
Nwaanyị na-amụ nwa ọ nwoke na
Ikemba State.
Nwoke anyị nwụrụ ọnwa and nwaanyị amatụ ọnwụ dị ime. Na mgbe a na-eme ihe a na-eme na autopilot, na-eme ihe a na-eme na brik ebe anyị si wee bata United States of Biafra. O nwere anything our Prime Minister na-eme, our DPM, Dr. Ngozo Abrezina mara about it. Ọ na-adị ka otu ile akwụkwọ tinye otu okwu ụkwụ wepụ remove hand in hand. O nwere ebe ị ga-afụ onye yara ifo, nwere ebe ị ga-afụ sinetọ onye yara ifo ka onye and otu a ka ọ dị a wee megide wee rue mgbe o luzi na ọka adịzi amụpụta ya bụ nwa. Chineke nna mee nke ya maka na Chineke abụrụ mmadụ ọkwanụ mmụọ ka ọ bụ otu echiche ya bụla echiche ya. None of us is that where our EM is. And anyị mara ọ ga-apụtakwa ọma nta aka. Mana ka ihe okwu Chineke kwụ ka ọ bịa na mmezu, o ji wee mee ka ọ bụrụ na onye nwepụta nwa a bụ nwaanyị. Nsọ mmadụ nwa na-agbụ ya mgba si na na-ekwu nwaanyị na-erukwu orukwu anyụmadịghị. Achịzozie na ha na-ekwu dat ihe anyị na-eme bụ ihe mmụọ, onye a na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ, na a na-ekwu maka motherland, her nation, her motherland. And anyị ma na ụfọdụ countries bụ ndị ụmụ nwoke wee dịdị ya mana to show that we are special breeds. Na mgbe Chineke eme ka Nnamdi Kanu our president ji ekwu sị na Biafra was the last miracle on earth mana ọ ga-eme. Anyị bụ ụmụ Chukwu okike abịa ma nke ọ kpọrọ ndị site afọ ya. Anyị na-aza afa, anyị ji bụ ụmụ Chukwu. Anyị ada aza flawa, anyị ada aza chakol, anyị ada aza bush. Ihe anyị na-aza bụ Chibuikem, Chinwendụ, Chidubem. Afọ niile na-aza afọ Achukwu. Oluzie mgbe anyị amụ ya bụ nwa ọ bụrụ nwaanyị mụ nwa ndị gbaka ana m asị nne gaba na osisi na-amị ezigbo mkpụrụ ka a na-amụ ije. Nwere ihe ga-eme gị. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-amị ezigbo mkpụrụ, ụmụaka ama na-eru gị nso. Ọ bụrụ na osisi a na-atọ ụtọ, ụmụaka ama na-eje na ya na-achụ ụdara. Ọ bụ osisi na-amị ezigbo mkpụrụ na osisi na-atọ ụtọ ka a na-agba nje na ya. So onye jisi ike na o nwere ihe ga-eme ya gaba na ọma nda na ihe niile anyị kwe ya n'azụ kwụsie ya n'azụ ike. Otu aka na-agba Chineke ka ọ na-edubi ya na-echebe ebe na ebe ọ bụla ọ na-aga. Onyekwa ndị kabinet members niile ndị ji ezigbo obi eje, ndị ji eziokwu eje, ndị ịmakwara ihe anyị ji maka ya wee na-eme ihe anyị na-eme, ma ndị secretaries, ma ndị gọvanọs, ma ndị from mbido n'isi were n'ebe ọdụ na 40 state of 90 state of Biafra. Ana m asị na ọ ga-adịra anyị niile mma n'ofu n'ofu. Anyị ga-adị ka echi, anyị ga-abịa n'ụdị ifufe ikuku ka anyị ga-abụ maka dị enwude ikuku enwude. Ọ bụrụ na na-enwude ikuku enwude ma na ga-enwude anyị. Otu a ka m na-echetakwa ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị ndị nke ji ndụ ha wee chụọ aja wee kwuo si na my fatherland must be protected at all costs. N'agbanyeghị mgbe niile ndị esi na-efa na wee pụta bụ obodo zuu na-agba ha kwesisie ike. A sị ha gara na onwe ihe ga-eme ha. A sị ha leba na ha ama nda. A sị ha na ha jee na ha ga-ejeru, anaba na ha ga-anaru. Onye ha chụrụ ha ga-enweta, onye chụrụ ha onye anyị enweta ha, onye na-achụ ha ga-adị ha nwa ga-enwe ngwongwo ọsọ. Otu a kwuru otu a ka ọ ga-adị. Chineke ga na-ebufe ụzọ na-ekperefe azụ, aka nri na aka ekpefa iru na-azụ ngozi onye na onye ọbụla nke na-akwado isi imi ma nke na-atụ aka ma nke na-ekwu ọjọọ okwu imegide ha ga-emegide ọnwụ ya. Otu a ka ọ ga-adị. Ana m asị ka ọ dịrị United States of Biafra mma, dịkwara Ikemba steeti as a whole mma. Na Chineke nna gbaziela anyị na onyela anyị n'ofu ma ndị nọ na mba ofesi, ma ndị nọkwa n'obodo zuu, ma ndị nọ na Biafra land. Ana m asị na ọ ga-adịrị nwoke mma, dịrị nwaanyị mma. Ihe niile ka anyị na-achọ na ndụ anyị ga-wetazuo ya n'ozuzu oke. Na Chineke ga-eji ndụ na-arụ isi ike chọọ anyị mma, were ihe akwa ihe enwe wee chọọ anyị mma. Wepụrụ anyị ndị sabo in our midst, wepụrụ anyị ndị osu imi, wepụrụ anyị ndị wezi n'obi amụ dị n'eze. Maka na anyị bata gọọmenti anyị si na anyị activate ọnya ya na nwanne ya, ọnụrụbe nwanne agba n'ọsọ. Onye tabiri ya nwanne ya nụ ka nwanne ya na-ebe ya jụọ ya ka ihe na-eme ya. Maka na anyị bụ the strength of the nation. Girigiri bụ ugwu eze. Ọ bụkwanụ na atụtụ anyị ga-atụtụ ju. And ebe anyị kpọkọtego na ihe jikọ aka ọnụ wee chọọ ihe na-aka ala anyị mana anyị ga-enwudi ya. Ana m asị ka nwoke dịrị ka nwaanyị dịrị ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ ga-adịrị anyị niile mma. Na-achụkwa oke adịghị ma chukwu nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Hello, ananukonu manuro monu ai.
Ise, ano mamonu. Hello.
All right.
Watch this video.
Like, how are Europeans supposed to act or react when Africans are pouring in from everywhere at the moment?
They should accept them.
They should just be like, oh, come, take our homes, take
They
the
should
jobs,
accept
take
Africans.
everything.
Because when you guys came in mass to Africa,
But that was so long ago. I
that
cannot even
that
bring
was
it
so
in
long
now
ago.
anymore.
But your companies are still there looting Africa.
Perhaps.
Neo-colonialism.
Perhaps.
You are still there stealing our resources, using our resources to develop your countries, and you don't want us to come here. You are asking how should you guys react when we come here?
Example, how are we supposed to react?
Imagine a thief steals your television, your TV, and you go to his house to watch a soccer game. How should the thief react? Exactly. Just be quiet.
Na-ekerekwe ndị be anyị nọ na diaspora, na-ekerekwe ndị nke nọkwa ahụ ọbụla, na na-ekere onye ọbụla. Ndewonu.
Hello, onwe na ihe na-ekwu. Hello. Ana m anụkwu na-ekwu ana m anụkwu. Ọ dị ka ha nwa ada anụ because I was talking and somebody else was talking. Because secretary, can you hear me?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. Biko na ụmụnne m, anyị sụke mmesi aga ihe eji akpọrọ mitin na mkpa mgbe kwakwa akpọkwa ochiri ogbo. The government akwụgo every state, everybody ga-ana be ha ga-ama ihe ga-eme ha wee protect their state. Anyị mana onwere ebe anyị debekwanụ ya bụ ego anyị na-eji ebulu ọkwanụ obere anyị na-eweta anyị ji alụ ọrụ anyị na-akpa n'ihe anyị na-alụ anya maka na akpa ofe anyị na-ebebu bifo a na-ebezie ka esi ebi ya mbụ ihe dị iche dị na ụmụnne m ihe ejide mitin a bụ ka anyị jikọọ aka ọnụ ka anyị tụkọ elu mmanụ ka a ga-esi wee nweta ihe a na-achọ maka na ihe a na-ekwu bụkwa eziokwu. Ihe a na-ekwu bụ eziokwu. Ndị a na-ekwu maka ha pụtago ise anyị na-ekesa ha na station by station na-ekesasị ha na-achọ mgbe ha ga-eji ihe ha ga-eme mana anyị ama nkwe ka ihe ọjọọ ma anyị amakwa nkịtị maka na onye si na ọ gbasara ya nwepụ onye ọnya na-agbasara na nke ikpeazụ a ma ekpere na-ekpe Chineke nna ka ihe niile ọjọọ ha na-ezube ka ọ na ha na-arụ ka ha ghara ịsọsid bikos n'otu ha si akwado Chineke na-akwadoro anyị ka anyị ma na ihe nwere ma Chineke ga-enye anyị so ụmụnne m biko unu n'anya asikiri na-esi play out na a na-afụ ihe na-emenụ o nwekwa ụmụnne anyị ndị nke ndị obodo a jụrụ ajụ ji anyị na-edekwa iji esins so ihe dị anyị ndị ise ji anyị n'iru uri nne at least we have 15 persons anyị na-aga ije ha ebe ka anyị ga-esi ebute ego ahụ na ọ bụrụ na anyị ji ka aka ọnụ bụrụ anyị otu anyị nwere ike wee nyụkọ onye ahụ mamịrị o wekwara anyị ụfụfụ so ụmụnne m biko n'ọkwanye ka anyị jibe mitin aka anyị gbakọ ịlụ ọnụ maka na enwere room for suggestion enwere room for otu a ga-esi mee ka o wee ka mma anyị chọkwa onye ọbụla ebe tinye ọnụ n'okwu a biko ndewo na ụmụnne m ọdịgo ọkụ ka ọrịa m n'ọnụ darụ nri nne ndewo information over to you. I don't know what you want to say. You are saying something before.
Okay.
Good evening, dear friends all over the world. Good evening, my governor, and good evening to my deputy governor, to all the state cabinet members. Good evening to our brothers, to our honorable diaspora, our chiefs in diaspora. I thank Pope Gabriel for keeping us alive to see the end of the year 2025. Since January 2024 till end of January, December 2024, and he also started lead us for 2025. 2024 was 29th November was the day our nation was constituted, and the formation and constitution of government began. And today, being 2025, that was our first anniversary, and this particular government took over on the 10th of July 2025. We don't want to, each and every one of us knows what transpired, and today we are all counting of progress, because, so I thank this present government, especially our government, because both of them we are a full member. Well, I was nominated as Minister, Commissioner for Education during her time, during when she was still a full member. And then SLT was also a part of the government, former government. I and him and other things, other people. So we join hands together to welcome them and deal with them. And we can see that there's difference between the past and now. So our governor is trying her best, our deputy is trying, but we have a working government right now. It's not about proxy or somewhere, at least everyone can see. So this means that, assuming that we have this kind of government during the time of 2024, when we are moving to declare our nation, by now we might not be having this too much need, because things might have been in place. So I am using this medium of time, and I know that the setup we are having right now started when the former government, people were not seeing the effect of what they are giving, or the effect, the action that required, the plan and the strategy. But in this government, ever since this government took over, everything was made up. Everything was transparency. Everything that we are just sitting behind the scene was made up. And this government is suffering from division. A lot of people in the past government followed them. So many people follow past government going kept. And one, but I know that majority of them is because. So for this past government, it's a threat to most of people within the government structure. But however, we still take full care that we are overcoming. If we used to have 10 naira during that time, right now we are having 4 naira. Due to distribution and confusion created by mediocre people who felt that who felt that they are very, very smart. They can use us and dump us and nothing will happen. So, however, cut everything short. Those of us who are here, both diaspora and in homeland, all we need right now is to continue. Even if one man's time, we will continue. We will never back down. This is almost end of the year. The government of the United States, the state of Ikemba, has a very specific plan ahead of 2026. This plan will enable everybody to sit up. But before this plan will move into transition, we still need support. I am trying my own best, according to our DPM, to say, every state are mandated to do their part. And then in the federal can now we can really assist. So I am encouraging each and every one of us that are in this place. So if you know any media platform, what we are trying to find out is how to get our product to work. We have a lot of people. From Anambra State is a well-known people that are asking money is not a problem. So if you have a new platform whereby you are promoting their behind US growth, we need to engage with them. Maybe visiting them and the government member will visit them so that we can be able to have a more viewer for people to understand what we are doing. But regardless of that, we still need all of us who are still doing what we're not to be left. Because we don't know who is who. But I'm sure that the more we put our energy on this, the more results will come. I don't know if our deputy governor will be here, or if it's not here, maybe something is doing this on ground. So I want to thank each and every one of us. We are doing marvelously well. For this 2026, we are going. It's gonna be a very hardest year. But if this struggle if our state level strategy was at the 40%, this 2026 it is increasing to 70%. Because if you understand the strategy of the Nigerian terrorist state, they are fighting up every day and day. They have also sent their listing to our temporal land. So they are secreting them to make it so that they will be gathering information on what is happening. I am your commissioner for information. I am on ground and I know what I'm saying. Here in our home, things are very difficult. I'm not saying that it's small simpler anywhere anymore. But our brothers, I am begging you all, whatever you know you can do to support our elite sport. If we prepare or support this elite sport, they can be able to start doing one or two things by generating revenue in our state. By the time they are a fit and giving, this one is not hit and run or whatever, just the full operational. That is the target of our general. They are not interested of hit and run or plan. They need continuous pursuing these people from our land and getting that money they are taking to support them. So we will now be channeled to them. We have so many hospital markets where we can do it. So these are part of the strategies. But before the strategy is implemented, them need to be because what our DPM said, we value and everybody's life. We don't want to waste anyone. We want to make sure that they are inside, at least giving them the maximum security and protection. Then, if there's any casualty that is wrong, then that will stand well. Can manage that. But sending people out there without the self-protection and care from the government of the state, it is very, very bad. So that is why I am anyone that knows what to do reform in order to do the needful to help us, whether in the diaspora, the state can, when everything balances, we can pay back. Since our brothers is not, most of our brothers, maybe when these people take action and people see the benefit, then we can now have the support. Then people can now begin to identify. That is my own contribution to what our governor has said. Because I want to create our brothers who are being locked up, torturing every day, their families. It's on our head. And that is why we wouldn't want to send anybody out without proper security, self-security. Because if anything happens to them by tomorrow or remain by Nigerian terrorists, the body of the family will fall upon us. So in order to reduce that, we need to prepare very, very well. We need to stand very end of 2020. At least there are some certain things that I have posted. And they are encouraged if you are a country head, you are here. I encourage you to provide one media. Media is the power. All of us are in media. Not about going to you go to a business and get there post and submit people in the group. Posting all manner of information. All those things is not helpful. Try how you can be able to engage those people you are listening to, those people that you are giving your data, watching their story or whatever they are promoting there. If anyone and if that media system you are listening to, they are not supporting what they have not one day called they have not one day called for anything support of your state. They don't know about your state. But anything they drop like this, you carry it up and put in different stuff. Wasting the process. Since 10 years now, we have been watching videos, doing all manner of things. But there's nothing we have to watch again that our DPN and Mazina and MSN and PM have never said. So all these people are using your data to make money as well. So what we need to do now is try to engage them. Those people you are following in Facebook, try to engage them and tell them, let them see where they can do.
Round up. We need to so round up so that we'll be able to. All right. Thank you so much. We are the one to anchor this, so you are not done. You are still on. So because the floor is open, the floor is open. Let's hear from us, please. Thank you. The floor is open. You can unmute yourself and talk to us. The floor is open. I don't even show now. Can anybody hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
We're hearing you.
Please, if you want to say anything, raise up your hands and speak so that I can approach you. I will start by approaching someone. I will put you line by line. This is me. Share your experience. Why are you think of that experience here? Over the man. Daron. I have to look at this man always here. I have to look at Okay, let me start from our Reverend Father. Yes, sir. Go ahead and speak to us. Anyway, yes, I know. That's why let me go line by line. It's no one.
Okay. Biko na ụmụnne m onwekwana ihe ọzọ a na-ekwu n'ime ihe a mbọ ka anyị dị ka onye ọbụla na-agba mbọ and ihe ndị kwute mbọ bụ na ama m oge Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bịakwutere anyị. I wasn't there, but I know abanyere na the Zoom ọ sị ndị America na zizi ya chọrọ n'aka unu $1, just $1 every month, because I had the millions here. Finally, we ended up becoming 400, and instead of that $1, I now told 1,000 something, 2,000, and 5,000. So all night went no. If I put on the top, send the everybody Zoom meeting now. I want to know you also need a Patagonian. So no one can see we encourage woman. I think that is the key here. I see where that strategy I can need. However, it's going to be enticing. Amaromo the way. When on a parish, you have your own area, you have people who are gathered together. But only on a parish, I went 3 major things, especially okay, Harvest and Bazaar. I went there, Kajiak, went down Jiak, went there, Jiak, Yakanako Alpha. Then eventually, Indiana Jiak, and down Jiak, and you see the finally, India Kajiak, then that's what we need here. I need those 3 categories. So when I have found the energy call them, let them see what we need. I found let them talk about it. So posting on the line I go share, but talk among the way, to be honest with you, but these are the 3 things in chair. If we can strategize on these 3 things, Marakai is going to coach more. So other than that, encouragement can only on the one book he carry. Because the 2 hours no, I know you corner and I come on. Plan same way is obvious, so you never have to plan same way. Also, how do we activate it, achieve it? That's the issue. What we going to see, we will be trying, as I said, when they come now, start the more many. But India will show go interest a little bit, man. But we hope that one day, as only people will maybe the half of them that were many events, then I told many events. Yeah, so we don't go on I was here. But you can get to that area. But that didn't get, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Before you continue, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Reverend Father, God bless you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Before you video, yesterday, our brother Kunyela over yesterday. Maybe I would the next person because after Father next year at that time she just trying to assist us. So only got after at that time on Francis. Only 50,000 a day yesterday. Opening into the account. So that is the next person you are going to call now. Thank you so much. Hope you understand.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. Just Simon, yes, I used to see this name on this. I'm good. Thank you very much, my lady. You're welcome. Our brother, Mazi Chooks Francis, please promote yourself and speak to us. Thank you very much. I don't know if it's online. I don't know. Mazi Chooks Francis, please promote your mic. Okay, while we are waiting for you, let me go to our sister, our Honorable Dora, my Honorable Dora Ngozi Okafu, please.
One. code. Now, people code message. I can sleep anytime. So, what about you? What about you? No, even making one. I really have time away to what was easier. And then one of my, so now you know, and also, I follow university. I thought that I have before where you actually done their experiences and their difficulties. So before I can handle network issues, they will say something to us before they disconnect. Yeah. For me, I will say that we are trying. Everybody here is trying. All this donation, and I thank each and every one of you. And I encourage everybody to continue to donate. You know, continue to donate. It's not easy. And then not all we are having difficult time and they still donating. No one of us here. We also having that issue. Too much bills here. So we will continue to try our best to be able to help the market and other families. So we are pledge for 60,000. 60,000. I'll send it as soon as I can. I just sent the one I pledged last time. Okay, and they want.
Okay, Darren, thank you, my
honorable. God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Network go I go about almost 20 years, but I'm going to make this equal some left. So those students that are no more here. That's why I did not call them. But right now, none of them is presently here. So they want.
Mazi Ejike, your mic can speak to us about Mazi Ejike.
And this mic is open.
Okay, yeah, comment. Oh yeah, go ahead. Mazi Omen.
Honorable Omeni, over to you.
Okay, while we are waiting for you to pick up the mic, I don't know if Chuk, I don't know if you are here. Please unmute your mic and if you have not here, then let's continue to proceed. Honorable Mazi.
I'm a mic here. Master Seed, you can go on.
Okay.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening. Welcome.
My Excellency, good evening.
Hey, what is
school line and then make up for nine. I can see you. You can actually get the man above an apple. Better never. Someone get Alamaya is coming. Someone has the lies and about it. Someone has the all over an hour. If you move this their plan, Yana plan, and not you. And what I need to do is outside. na ji akwa ọrụ gbaka ya mana ya onye nnuga na-ejete na ike Ikemba nine week Ikemba register Nkana ga na ko ya kana me maka mera
Ndewo, thank you so much. Ndewo, dịka m kwuru yesterday is night, ọ kwụnyela 60,000 eje. Ndewo, over continue nwa Chineke.
Okay, Mazi Chomena, Chukjo, please unmute your mic and speak to us. Chukjo, are you there? Okay, while we wait, Mazi Ejike, are you close to your mic? Unmute your mic and speak. Mazi Ejike. Okay. Chief Okole Madioka. Please, sir. Unmute your mic and speak to us. You're close to your mic. Everyone, can anybody hear me? I hope I'm coming out clear. When I'm looking you.
Yes,
okay. Thank you very much.
Am I coming out?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
I'm making for all you do. Now, but me up with Ikemba State legislature to all the states here. The result back and as you back on. Try at least since Uruguay, I have full dependent menu. Now, full keep a shaka, can I go for my? Who are not discouraged by those people making nonsense? Victor Fernando Tufa, and I can go for 1 night. And I call you. I will put it back very hard workers again, but I can give to my hand. But to sell or if I know to our people. Because I know the people will see them. If you are frustrated or disgruntled, you go home and sleep. Or they can make their rubbish. So we need to find just let them control right in their stupidity. I am to say that I just see a fair and grab it. Good now, one day I'm very happy how things are going. We were probably that one and at least today I go to the village last time. See, you are the best thing to happen to the bank. All this why they will value the
All right. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Continue.
All right. Honorable Mazi Polisemeka, unmute your mic and speak to us. Honorable Mazi Polisemeka. Okay. Chukjo, are you back? Are you close to your mic? Are you close to your mic?
Sir, I am. Good evening.
Okay, all right. Go ahead.
Good evening, my governor. Good evening, everyone. Because I salute our commander. My problem here is that I don't hear the internet sometimes push me out and I come in, and sometimes I wouldn't hear exactly what is being said. That is the only problem I have. But the little I had something like a vote of thanks to our commanders and people on ground. So I'm still putting on my consciousness to understand the things that are on ground before I talk. Thank you very much.
Okay. Today is our general meeting for the of Ikemba, Women Abroad. So today we discuss on the way I hope you are hearing me now. We are discussing about way forward, what we can do to keep moving forward, keep doing the needful, regardless of the challenges we are facing, and also in the area of support, what we can do, because in apart from more, support, especially to our children, all right? And the open this will create more awareness for more people to join what we are doing. All right, so that is what we are talking about. So everybody is giving contribution on what they think will be possible, and at the end of the day, the person has something to give to the state for them to keep on doing the need, because we have a lot of plans 2026. So that is it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you for
before you continue,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, biko onye ahụ na n'omi bụ onye na-afụ maka ndị uwe ọcha, onye nwa bụ onye na-organize ndị uwe ọcha. Amara m na wata ihe mmiri banyere ndị uwe ọcha, ndị anyị na-eto a na-akpọba ndị uwe ojii amama nke ya ndị uwe ọcha, onye nwa dị in charge of them, and ọ nwekwa ọrụ nke ọ nwetakwa ụkwa one of the commissioners ọ na-try otu ogbe ike. So na ajụjụ ọ na-ajụ ya adị ndị mmadụ surprise due to na for some time ọ nọrọ ya ọnwa assignment ọ gara na Port Harcourt, so he has been in and out. So ya ka ji ọsị ka mmekwu unu mara onye nwa dị in charge of ndị uwe ọcha.
Okay. All right. We also need your report from your own side as part of the defense, whether water or military. They are all fence. Okay. So thank you very much. We are happy to have you. So go ahead and give us your report. Can you hear me? Network. Okay. Who again?
Honorable Ikemba is back. We need the advice and the strategy. Honorable Ikemba, onye nwa bụ commissioner for Judaism, and onye nwa bụ advisor to this. The mic is open for you. Oh, it's fine now. Everybody now put their back. Because as far as we know, network on Abu their challenge. She said, Jindu, are you here? When you were born, Police Emeka, talk to us, please.
This is Police Emeka. Please speak to us. Amen. Our Ada Simon, please, do you have anybody from your phone to speak to us? Even Kai. Kai, do we have any report from your own side?
Kai report and the one that Ada Simon Eba. Is there anybody from your side to speak to us? The mic is yours.
Okay, this is Kai report. Ada Simon Ekenengi.
Okay, somebody on the Google. Oh, no.
I want to get the same. I want to get the same time now. Okay. Okumudinke. One much update from my side. Okay. Well, any update, I will let you know. Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Okay, our sister, go ahead.
Also, too, I only want to greet all of you. Now, so go to need to seek it because of that. You know, the man, other easy. I not in a chitrai na India. So, other easy. I said, come on, Sika Chineke won't need to make one to seek it. I will go name when anybody want anything from my side. I will still let what I do to know because. Number so when I not close to the camera, I'm a metapare and I'm a second to see a catch poor cat on my bow and in movement. Only see when I'm a chitara, okay, Dodger have fours are phone with the city. Monday, Omapaya, and I say that Kubazia, Nasoro House. If there was an adder, when they chop up a haka or because they chop up home, I can see Uncle Don. What I do, emanate from number. So when Hannah goes where I will still contact you. Thank you so much, my people. We really appreciate all you do for us. Day one.
Okay, thank you very much.
God bless you. Thank you.
Okay, the last person here, Mazi Police Emeka, please, sir, please speak to us.
With Mazi Ejike Mazi
I don't know if both of them are close to the mic. All right. This meeting will be ending in the next 10 minutes. So I'm gonna use this period of time to thank everyone, thank our brothers, our sisters. All I can say is that God is with us anyhow it is. We keep moving. Moje sike koje. Okay? So we'll continue doing the need. We'll continue to make sure that this light in our hands will never fade. And victory is ours very soon, regardless of anything. It's only the death that happened that, but in as much as there's life, the day will come when all this meeting will become part. Everybody will be dragging to speak. Everybody will be dragging to you. I do not MIQ you. I do not do this. I do not do that. Time will come, and I believe people gather will do it. So I do thank at this hour. If you are here and want to say anything, want to do anything, I want you to do so because this meeting will be ending in 10 minutes. So, my governor, if you have anything to say, my deputy SSG,
okay, the mic is open for you can continue, sir.
Okay, Martin, everyone.
Yeah. So, I want to speak in something, please. Honorable, Honorable, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm hearing you.
Okay. I wanted to chip in something. Okay, I will contact you through your WhatsApp. Okay, I will contact you there. What I do?
No, you can go on. You can go on.
I only wanted to chip in if it's possible to maybe the account you're using for your donations in Homeland, maybe to put it to me in my WhatsApp. Maybe people that are interested to do something, I can as well forward it to them if it is possible. That's just what I want to chip in.
Yes, thank you so much. We'll do that. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, we are hearing. Go ahead.
Yeah, greetings everyone. Good evening all. My governor, I greet you all. Thank you so much. I thank you people so much for what you are doing. It's your deputy and all the commissioners, the county heads. As a whole, I don't have much to say, but we must continue. I don't understand what people, I don't know what's wrong with our people by not doing what they're supposed to do. Even here, I have the idea here, but sometimes you talk to people, but at the end of the day, nobody will respond. We have been doing before, contributing, then after what happened to our peers, most of them stopped. And that's they still believe that we are going to work with them. But for them to bring that support, I don't know, it's very difficult for them. But there's nothing we can do, only that we will still talking to them, talking to our people, so that they will come and know what is supposed to. Like our PM always say that we are the people that are holding ourselves. Now it's your wife. If our people come together, bring down the money, and we do this thing once and for all, and grow up. We that are here, we need to grow up. We need to come back from as soon as possible. So, on this note, I don't have to appreciate you people and encourage you people. We are putting you people in prayer because the only one of you on our defense. I need to buy a very sick there. Actually, I can't protect from all these evil people. They will continue to defend our land. We continue to defend our land. And we must go home as soon as possible. Thank you all. I will give 30,000 for this one. No matter how small it is. Continue. Thank you all and God bless you.
Thank you, Chineke. How would we? Because I'm just trying to let us do a morning and I'm going to watch
I live in Brazil. I have account. I have donated in this account that ended with 947 Access Bank. I think one time we did a fundraising here, which I later fulfill my distance there. So I think last 2-3 months ago. Yeah.
God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, my governor. Thank you.
Yes. How well. God bless you. God bless you.
Okay, thank you very much, my brother. Please, all I need to say is do not relent, keep on doing the needful, keep on still talking to people, still reminding them. I know that a time will come when peradventure they will be the one dragging. You know, our people are not about us really. One is over, not both of us just. Why? You just cause confusion. Oh, yeah, the one I like. Why? I was only the message of man or any level. Above all, you want to open. Kita joining out with the other. So that is the main thing. That is something we also face here in the home country. Home that you talk to them, they will trust that what you are doing is nonsense and they don't, Even if you are scared of anything, does it stop you from putting your own naira to what you believe? Everybody, in their mind, they all want their to come. They all want, and they all recognize that has been declared, and they are looking for action. Where something that will prove that they are now. They are telling them to put something. This is what will remain what you need to come up. If they may have you everything. These too skeptical. I'm more about to keep for that singing Bob in never from the Bob in camera, that is so, I told them that even as we are here in Nigeria, as we are in Nigeria, 70 years, all the resources that have been embezzling from this country, what is the benefit of it? Who is eating the money? Where is it gone? Yet you still live in the same land, yet you are still, So why haven't you asked the question of where are all the money being generated from the system? Nobody will ask the question about whatever you say that you say all the time you're doing fundraise, all the time you're doing fundraise. What you have to tell all you guys about fundraise, all you guys about you are not caring about margin and
my brother, our information commissioner. Onye na-ekwu ife a never contributed dime. Ije check yesterday water receipt o ji ụgwọ. Ndị na-eme mkpọtụ niile a bụ ndị na-contribute bụ anything but achere nsogbu adịrị ya. Anyị na-aga n'ubi ka ji n'aka. Ị ga wọchị onye asa wetagara akwụkwọ o ji etinye ego ọnọdụ ka ugo 247. Fadin, they never contribute. Kama fa na-ewere inwe ịma na-enwe two type of this na anyị nọ na endpoint agitation. I'm the endless. About that again, I don't know invitation end here. I beg the end here, you know, because never they won't take in summer. This don't work infrastructure. Then actually, I am what they were running what I can and I have table on a wall of a place, a hotel, and if they go to get money. Oh, then they are there enough. So once you not remove, when you see anybody, you go back to the
something like, for instance, now when you go to my camps, and I know that these people are capable. I know how many people are put those and those in homeland. They will be telling you, oh, when will they come to them? We don't find out. If you want to make it come now, it's just okay. You want to say, when you not tell them, okay, you want it to come, what you need to do now? Support the government. To say, they cannot support us, support Kelly, everything I have the lab. I want them. Then we're going to include buy for because they have why about. I just get tired of, but however, I will continue saying this is the final thing, and I will continue doing it. I know that I especially God grace this 2026. I give the Akafa. No, I chose him. I mean, it's a devil before I should my yourself. Oh, you married, you married. then at the end of the day, you got the man, why you got that one girl go, achieve for go, if I'm not here, put out times 10, times 50. So because man, I was giving you an mail. So why if I do other propaganda, only if you make up to only a tax was and then man, why them and I have now, why if they are singing I have for my and I upgrade to a tire work from my kind on and I did that. Why did I go there with those kinds of things?
Listen, one more chetakwa na enwe first class and second class, wee third class. A ga-eche eke obodo ndị nwetasị ya ndị niile anọ n'akụkụ na-enyo si na-aga nọ na anyị na-abịa a na-achọ n'ezi isi fa ka ọ tugbuo ndị ọ ga-atugbu mgbe oge ruru o nwere ndị nọ n'obodo fa mana ha na-eriri ụdị akwụkwọ every year nwa citizen born and bred mana ha na-eriri akwụkwọ ha so do not be moved. Ma ọ bụrụ crowd ogo na ofu onye ma mmadụ na-abụ we still get what we are looking for. Nyewu ga-egogo na mkpọnwụ just get ntị gị ife ga-eme next year. Ị ga-asị na ịma n'otu aka Chineke na chima Chineke fụ gị n'anya. So no problem. Onye jide nsị n'ọma wee na jidesikwa anyị ike agbakwanụ nwekwa ụdị ọzọ ndị obodo si abịa. Ọgọzie m na onwe ihe mee ma I'm not praying that anything will happen to anybody's money. But this money now we need it to make sure na anyị nweta ihe a na-achọ. Iweli edebe kpochie ya n'ofu ebe na-eme anya si na-eme ka m bịa. Onwezi ihe mee that money, are you not going to survive? So ụlọ ọbara onye a na onwe ego etinyelu ndị be ha aka nyekwala onwe ya aka nyere ụmụ ya aka ọ nwere ihe oluzie mgbe ihe mere ma otiarịla. So nna don't worry, we need to close the meeting biko na ya try do anyị kene ụmụnna anyị ndị nke bata na I will say please after this meeting help me to call deputy because I have not heard from him, you know. You have to reach him, please. So thank you all so much for coming for this meeting. I appreciate us all. Biko ekele ọlụ eke. Anyị fụ ka o si eme na Ọstra mgbe Ogechukwu nkere eleghasị ajọ nwa si wee mee nke ọ ga-ebie kọlọbịa onye ọcha na-eme na onwetaghị ya na-ajụ ya ụjọ na-akọ ya eri. Kpọgide niile ọkpọkọsịa ochie na onwetaghị onye ọcha. Oluzie mgbe o luru na Chineke na-ekunye onye nwe asị na na-esekwuzi ekwu onye nwe oge ndị nwa nsọ onye nwe nwere akọ emerisi ya na-emerisi onye bụ nwa afọ amụrụ amụ wee jekwuzie the person life and direct ọ bụrụ mgbe anyị na-eme our independent okwu niile wee gbawa isi eziokwu wee pụta ise a wee na jee ha idea their face in shame. So what am I trying to say? DPM si na-ekele ọrụ eke ebe ọbụla ifo any opportunity use it very well. Any offices if opportunity to make this gospel to go far that our nation agudogo because my happiness is that we are no more agitating. Maya bataye dị iche iche wee dị maka ndị na-ekwu na our DPM enwe right in our defense maka ihe n'anya some nonsense a na-epost mana this Biafra is a whole Biafra is a religion. A na-ekwu na DPM enwe right jegozie na adena is na country na onye isi bụ number one onye a bụ number one mgbe ọ na-ekwu ya na-ekwu mgbe a na-eme agitation we are not agitating. That is the mistake they are making. We are now a nation and it can never be declared again or full declare can never declare we are already clear at Biafra and the thousands of people have signed their signature and nobody again it can never be undone. I'm a Malaysia. So don't worry. Onye ọbụla nwe opportunity onye ọbụla nwe opportunity for 1 year continue preaching the gospel we move they won.
On Izuchukwu Okemukwu, please unmute your mic and speak. We are about to end this meeting. On Izuchukwu Okemukwu and Honorable Isemeka, any of you that is Drake, oh my able man, Drake, you're welcome. And this is the man that normally hosts X Sandro space at all time. You are welcome. Please unmute your mic and speak to us. I hope I'm coming out clear. Yes, I can hear you from my end though. I don't know for others. Yeah. All right. Go ahead. You're welcome.
Yes. Yeah, I greet you have. Sorry, I just ended this speech. So I greet. I said I must come and greet my people. So yeah, I greet every one of you and appreciate you for my brother state of Ikemba. You are doing great, and I appreciate you for what you do, and I appreciate each and every one of us, most especially our government, our DPM. She's actually doing great, doing us proud. I appreciate her doggedness, for her steadfastness, and the cabinet. You know, first of all, a big shout out to her because it is not easy. It is not easy. So I thank her, and I thank all the 40 state governors, deputies, and the elite squad, the defense forces. I thank each and every one of them for their sacrifice. Each and every one of us are, in one way or the other, sacrificing. We know we all have one common goal. That is the actualization of our newly redeclared nation. So I appreciate each and every one of you. And I encourage everyone, please, whatever you know you can do to support. We are all, what we ask, soliciting for is for support, funding.
Okay, it's a network. This network, okay. All right. Thank you very much, my brother. I don't know if you are still there. Network is. So, on this Chukwu Okenwa, on which I can speak, on this Chukwu Okenwa.
Everybody. Now from our Najuku Mazana de Carlo, Simon our Mommy Africa, Mommy Biafra, our DPM, San making on down to our governor, Wada, on our right, and our deputy, we do all the commissioners, down to our county chairman, and to the list, and making on your governor, and making one Magana because in this journey, our friend Fatana, Kogizi, and the Ikemba state, we are going fast. Yes, the way in Fataki our governor and our deputy, even our commissioner for information, they are doing great. I love their work. Sana masika chuko kikapia mwonyo kunume. Nalo nyo na nalo ime njema. Venne kuka kubigalela nimeri whatever of naifo nime this journey. Kubigalela nimeri na ani go kone by nature. So whatever of naifo I will know if I can see probably buy a storm Israel. I got Germany in 40 days and 14 nights. I'm going to reach a far bigger. Oh, I can now. At the finally, I will buy. I am well angry. dan mebebe na onye ọbụla anyị agara atụ onye ọbụla achọ na onye ọbụla ga-adị ndụ anyị celebrate ya our nation. Dan m ekene onye ọbụla na mbọ onye ọbụla na-agba mebe nsọ na ife niile na-aga ọfụma. So I think everybody ka Chukwu okike amegba anyị ume n'ime ọrụ a n'ime ozi a na Chukwu okike abịa ma ise.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. However, keep on what we need. Every time that keep on building your country, keep on supporting, not only by way you homeland, but expected to keep on building our government, because when the country and the state are very weak, that is where the weakness will not affect the state. But when the country and the state keep on building and doing the needful, you will see the strength of the state, and from the strength of the state, then you will not see the strength of the United States of Biafra. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. So, I am honorable. Okay, my deputy prime minister, my deputy governor is here. Please, sir, His Excellency, please unmute your mic and speak to us. Thank you very much.
Hello, shalom, everybody. Am I coming out loud?
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you very much. I'm sorry for being late, first of all. The only thing is that I travel now, I'm in Ikemba now. I just landed now, and I tried to enter the meeting. The link that the governor sent to me took me to Combine, where commanders and the governors were having the meeting. I was there since. For 30 minutes, Diana was explaining about how the finance and everything were going on. So my phone just fell, and the screen I just changed last week, break again now. So that is why I was just get angry and I log out from the meeting. Before the governor just called me now to remind me about this meeting. I said I have an emergency travel, and that is why I know that I thought I'm going to reach Ikemba on time so that I can join, but because of hold up and every other thing, that is why I could not reach here on time. When I saw that link, I thought that our phone had been suspended because of that federal. So, but it's well. Once again, I want to greet everyone. I want us to know that we are now in the finishing touch of this great project, and a lot of things are happening. But our challenges now is some of our officials is not living up to the expectations that we have on them. Mostly our county heads, some of our county heads are not living up to the expectations to make sure that their counties are functioning very well. Some people have just gone and relaxed. That today some counties are no more collecting their liberation tax, and that liberation tax is what is going to help us in this project, because we are now in the final push where we need a lot of finance, mostly for our state. And we know that our state is like the taproot of this the zoo. You know, our state are just like a taproot. If we can be able to conquer the zoo in our state, I believe we have conquered them in every area. So that is why this our state is a very strong place. And because of it, what is happening now, Soludo has now fully bring out himself as an agent or a servant to Fulanis. He has promised them to give them Buga in Anambra State, in Bold Anambra State, which I am trying to let all the governors in this old Anambra, like the governor from Ikemba, Omambara, and Odved, to make sure that we do not give them any chance. Anywhere that Soludo will give them land for settlement, because I've heard it in his broadcast that he's going to give them land for ranch, a very fertile land, a very big land. So we will make sure that that project and promise may not stand in our land, either in Ikemba, or Mambara, or the states. We will not allow Soludo to give the Fulanis anything in our land. And because of that, a lot of troops of Fulanis, militants, or bandits, or terrorists are being shipped into this place. They are now entering into our state, now trying to settle down in many places. And we need to, brace up to know what we can do, so that we can be able to withstand this militia, this terrorist that is coming. And they are coming with army uniform. They are coming with a lot of ID card. They are coming with a lot of things into our land. I don't know where they are getting the army uniform. It is maybe the Soludo and go and giving them that the army uniform. If you see some of them on the way, you may think that they are original Zoo army. So all of them are terrorists, because you cannot differentiate Zoo army from these terrorists in a military uniform anymore, because they are wearing the same uniform and they are killing people anyhow. I can use what happened in Anyama where we are. We are seeing them like the band of Okada people in Anyama last week or last 2 weeks. And because a Fulani guy stabbed an indigene of Ibuzo and killed him. So they now touch the Fulani guy and ask him, why did you stab him? He said that he snatched his machine from him. But when the investigation was carried out, it's not the person that he stabbed that killed that snatched his machine. Another person snatched the machine from him. He now sees somebody that resembles that person and used dagger and stab the person and kill him. Because of that, they now banned Okada. I said that from today, they are going to reshuffle it, that they will not allow the Fulanis or the Hausas to be riding Okada in their land anymore. Do you know what happened? That military people now enter to the town. I said that because they said they are going to stop our person from Fulani from riding Okada, that nobody will ride Okada or machine in that place. You see, I don't know what they are doing. If they see with machine, they will use their motor and kill. They have killed not less than 10 persons last week today. And many are hospitalized. To let you know that these people are really terrorists. Because if they are a national military or army, they will not use their motor and kill you. Instead, they will arrest you and take you with your person, your car to anywhere for you to come and bear or explain yourself. But this one is that when they see you, they will use their kilos and hit you into the gutter. They have killed they kill a woman with a baby in her back. They hit the Okada man, and the baby and the woman hit her head in the gutter. That is how the baby died. I'm talking about 3 days ago. Now they're wonderful people. Our land is under siege. They are here in many methods that we need to brace up and know what to do. Please, I want to thank my governor for all that she's doing. I want to thank our deputy prime minister. I want to thank our prime minister also, and our president, our student leader. And I want to thank all our militaries, mostly our General Nabosho, and all the military in Ikemba State for all they are doing to make sure that these people did not overrun us. Thank you, and the true continue to bless Ikemba State. Shalom from here.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And what happened is that year send the login. Oh, I think today called and then governor's this thing called, so I have to move it to you for you to know. Even me, I log in also because they started by 6 p.m. No about you. So the a couple of 5 minutes after 7, I left. So sorry about that, and thank God for the journey mercy. After this meeting, there's something I need to tell you that we discussed on that meeting before Ibata, and it's very important. So thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Okay, all right. I want to talk about it. Here I will use set of people. Some have to go another group, but African time.
Okay, thank you very much, my Deputy Governor. All you just said has been noted, and we pray that God Almighty continue to strengthen us and give us the fortitude to continue going with that weakness planted by the which you say safe journey to you. It's not easy to love the man to Ikemba State. It's not really me also normal. So we have one person raising her voice and speak.
Good man. Good man.
John, I will put your mic and speak.
Good evening, my people from my location.
You're welcome.
This is Ikemba. Ikemba State.
We know that we are one, but we address all with our state because.
Yes, so Ikemba Kelepamono. Ikemba Udotiruno. Want to thank you for standing. It's not easy. Lot of prayers are involved. But I want to let us know one thing. That's not many people. For us to get to the end of this point, we must be strong and have mental toughness in our life at this time. We must be careful on our own. We must not be close friends of those who we don't know who they are. For us to be alive and to tell the story of the history of Biafra. My father, when I was not like a way, calling her name, come a modingo, come a calling name, Yabu Sebonka, in your Biafra. So I shall make in the Umunam Ikemba Mara. Now, in here, I got today. Upon how many countries that this war, we will not achieve Biafra without history being repeated in the movement that we are into. What is those history? History of Sabukutu as the fighter. We are not only the one. Quickly, before I say more further. Governor, I don't know how I finish you. I would like to use 5,000 to support Ikemba. You know, when I got some guys I can wait after the phone, after this program, I'm waiting the money for support for
Secretary, are you here? Okay, now let's get
so actually, I'm here on YouTube page go read the Biafra TV.
I said it. Agoma dey go na program. Yeah, he said the person no nya already Biafra TV. Na you on the no good man. Udo, that is it.
Good man John of Africa on a Zoom. That is it. So I want us to know one thing. We will not achieve Biafra without history repeating. Then we want this don't into a Biafra. The Biafra we are fighting now is Biafra under digital and analog. Not the Biafra of the 1960s, 1980s, 1870s. No, this is the Biafra of the UN Charter College adopted Article 2, Bracket 4 of the UN Charter adopted new modern fighting, external secession, remedial, independent new states that they do not support armed struggle anymore, that they do not support Soweto anymore, that is not in the time of the Geneva Convention of 1948 as amended. On that Geneva Convention now, they also have adopted number they are using. When you go to Geneva Convention of 1948 as amended, stroke 1949 as amended, the same Article 12, Bracket 2 said, armed struggle of any new state in the modern new era of creating a new country leads to allow international law, to allow a country like Nigeria we are fighting to leave, to arrest our leader, arrest us, treat us like rebel, insurgency, criminal, terrorist. These are the outline they put in there for us. But they want us to go into legal, diplomatic, pressure, and standing tall. These are the only three outline ways we, the Biafran people, the government of the U.S.B, Dr. Budo has adopted. And we are not only the one that adopted this chapter or the role model of new fight for freedom. Namibia is a country in Africa. Namibia fight the way out from South Africa. When Namibia was fighting, now South Africa created 4 groups inside Namibia, with Namibia indigenous, like what we Biafra are passing to today. Remember, I'm telling you about history I'm repeating. Namibia is the extent of forming security for people of Namibia, like what you see the Southeast governors, district mines, Southeast governor doing today in Biafra land. Namibia, South Africa also formed a parallel government from the government in exile of Namibia, which remember that a woman is the one that lead the movement of Namibia, and the woman declared Namibia as a country, like what our leader did precisely in 1990. A woman declares it for them. Not only that, after the declaration, people deny that they don't want India to become a country. When they conducted their self-referendum vote, the vote is 15 out of 55%. Do you see how they want it, like what we are doing today? So when you see all this breakaway group, CRC, you see fallback group, you see I don't know who speaking, you see Chiamaka Jerry, you see Chikotra, maybe Shiki, aka Wanyapona, Finland, Lana France. Then we see the citizens unite. Who are those parallel governments or those that are puppets that are supporting those that are killing their people, those that marginalize their people, those that are tormenting their people, never want people to rise. These and listen one thing. The international law says that once a new country is being declared, that any group who step outside from that new government of the new country, that they are seeing them as puppets, toys, loyal to the former president country, that like Nigeria, where the young are fighting. That is when I look at this international law so much, my happiness is that everything we are passing is there. And when I look at history has been repeated, we are all repeating together. And today, Dr. Ngozi Orebeze has joined among 12 women in the world who declared their countries. Israel was being declared by a woman,
1948. Brazil was the woman declared Brazil as a country. 1822. America was being declared by a man. Really, America declared independent July 4th, 1776, when America declared independence. A state called California, where Adolo is today, refused that they don't want America to be a country. New York refused that they don't want America to be a country. Do you know what's part of it? Anglican bishop refused that they don't want it, that they want to remain under Great Britain. America has three groups. That inside that three groups, one was the one that made the social declaration of America as a country. That is the one. After the creation of America stand for a year and 6 months. No one could jump from any country like the way we stand there right now. The first country that recognized America in 1777, December, was Morocco in Africa. That was the first country ever that recognized America. After that, 3 months later, France seconded them. After France seconded them, after 3 months, after a year and 9 months, before France will come and recognize them, France left them, come back another 1 year again, come back in 1778 to sign treaties agreement with America and give them equipment to chase and fight away Great Britain. This is the history of Great Britain. So he's repeated on our own rule. So we want America to know that such a woman who has, after we have declared Biafra, we declared it on November 2024 at admiring it. We want them to see that old woman, that if that woman was among those that are in America then, that she will deny America from being a country. Look at how it's repeated on this woman's head, on the back side of it. Look at how it's repeated on the back side of join people of Namibia, Israel, what of Belarus 2020 that a woman declared. These are the countries in the world that are 10 countries in Africa. 8 was being declared by a man. Do you know that Ghana was declared by a woman? Do you know that South Africa in the land of Africa region was declared by a woman? Do you know that Congo, was declared by a woman? These are many more that I want you to know. There is only one person. Act of declaration under the UN Charter says a declaration is a legal aspect and notification of overall that a new country has emerged seeking for international recognition. Act of declaration makes you a sovereign state that lack of international recognition in the eyes of the international community. And there is only one government. By who? Dr. Ngozi President, DPM. The surrogate, the mandate, the chief of staff, like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu introduced Sabana to us. Mazi introduced Ngozi to me. I don't know who introduced Ngozi to me. I don't know who introduced another person except Ngozi which I know you are the surrogate to protect the mandate. My people, let us start strong. The government are doing well. They have maintained the UN currency because I told somebody, freedom is not speaking Igbo language. Freedom speaks English. And also, freedom is being taken, is not being given. We have taken it by standing up on November 29, 2024 to make our declaration. I want us to read by saying one thing. If you are not what I'm saying now, go to Google, type, who make a declaration of U.S.B, the new model declaration of the U.S.B. Just type it in Google, you will see Dr. Ngozi declared the United States of Biafra U.S.B November 29, 2024. No, go to archive, go to World Index, go to Guinness Book, go anywhere, any app you like search, go to Zoom and type it right now. You will see what I'm telling you. So we have changed the history and we have made the history. The history has repeated through our DPM that a woman will declare Biafra and it has come to fulfill. The woman, they said on international law that when a woman is leading from to a new country that is going to last long, but they must get it because the world pampers refuse to adhere to arrest a woman. But when it is a man, they see him as a battlefield. they will just go and grab him. That is when I read that all these things in my own time and find it out that we are on the right track. And that's our prayer. Support government, support your state security, borrow for what is going to Biafra, and keep the secret. We are moving, we are winning. No surrender, no retreat. Help on for you standing tall. You must jump to make this history. For those who refuse, when America being an organization, over 100,000 of America flew away because of their words. They are saboteurs. They flew into Great Britain back, like the Southern governors. They flew into Canada. The citizens, those who did not support, was against, and social media of America who propagate lies, intimidation against U.S. declaration. In 1778, they all flew away. That is what we're experiencing in our land. So today, we cannot achieve Biafra without an existing protocol. We must stand on this existing protocol to get Biafra. Thank you so much for all of Ikemba. I love what we are doing. We must keep it up. Thank you so much. I wish from you. Thank you.
All right. So much. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Deputy Governor, please, can you unmute yourself and talk to our brother?
Okay, we are calling on the transportation and law. Please, unmute your mic and speak to us.
Hello, my brother. Thank you very much for your speech. I'm very, very grateful. You really, spoke very well. You will not even that. All are negotiating. You're a Biafra of Biafra. Biafra of Fulani. My name was Biafra. The Fulani to be in kind of negotiate. You're a Biafra of Biafra. So thank you very much. May God continue to bless you. We are happy to have you in our midst. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, transport and love. Please, unmute your mic and speak.
When you were before transportation, we were let Greg complete. No, Greg was talking to us before network kick him out. Please.
Okay. Okay. Honorable Drake, unmute your mic and complete your.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Sorry, earlier I didn't know my list. Okay, yeah. So, like I was saying before, I appreciate you, the governor of the state of Ikemba, deputy, and every one of you that are making sure everything is moving according to the template and according to the instructions of the government. I appreciate you all, and I want to use this opportunity to recognize every one of you, our defense forces, and everyone that are putting efforts in trying to make sure that we all go back home. Like I was saying before, we have only one goal and one purpose why we are doing what we are doing. And that purpose is the actualization of our newly declared nation. So, I will keep encouraging our purpose. The reason why you see us doing what we are doing is to just keep encouraging. We know that a lot of damages have been done in the past, but we won't continue looking at the damages and allow more damages to be coming in or to be taking place. We have to take corrections, and then we have to move on. And that is why our DPM, the kind of person she is, she's not a pushover someone. And that was the reason why it was, and it has been, and it will be very difficult for them to be able to get hold of her. Just as so many of them who pretended that they were following Prime Minister, they were following Enyendo, but they never had a clue of what these our living heroes were actually talking or pushing for. Or perhaps, if I may say, they never had, the freedom of what they were talking, what Awonyendo and Prime Minister were talking. They never had it at heart. They never had Biafra, restoration at heart. Then I'm not mistaken, So, like I said before, I just say, let me come in and say hi and greet you all for the great work that every one of you are doing. So many of you may actually know Drake on S, and I appreciate you so much, my brother, State of Ikemba. You are doing great. I'm seeing your handwork, and believe me, all of us are all doing this because we want to be free, and this freedom we are fighting, and this nation we are looking for, we don't want it to look like or to have anything that we relate with the terrorist set of Nigeria that we are all running away from. Yes. Like Onye Nduma's Namdekano will always say, that Biafra will be gotten in truth and all honesty. That is where we stand. And that was the reason why they have never, since after the declaration, they have been calling one woman name till date. They have never been able to pull her down. You know why? They have all been standing on a lies to deceive and to blackmail. Nothing else, nothing more. Out of hatred, out of selfishness, out of bitterness, people will jump out and will start constituting nuisance, not just for any reason, but out of hate, let me then destroy. Since it is not me, it can never be them. It can never be she. But every one of you making this happening, making this to happen, all the governors, deputy, defense forces, the elite squad, all the medias, we all are doing great. We all are doing. Believe me, I think most of us, I think last year, last 2 years, last 3, we never knew that the time and the day is coming when we will be in the MFA of this Biafra movement, and we never, most of us never dreamed that the time and the day like this will actually come. But so long as everything we are doing is for the betterment of our people, just imagine Onye Dumas now they can. He lost his mother, he lost his father, yet he still sacrificed himself for you and I. Look at our Prime Minister. A man who was living well, of course, who is living well. These are not people that you look and you call them hungry freedom fighters. Or is it our DPM? As now, nwoke zuru ka eme, nke a nwaanyị zuru ka eme. But all what our PM, our Onyendo, our DPM, all what they have been soliciting or are asking is for your support, for my support, and for the support of every one of us to make this thing happen quicker. Not that if you don't come in or if you don't put, if you don't support, it will not happen, but to make it happen quicker and faster. So my own is to keep encouraging you, keep encouraging everyone. To those who still have at least the love of their people at heart. This and this and this is what you are supposed to know, and you are what you are supposed to do. If you claim, of course, if you claim you love Biafra and you are fighting against the prophecy that Onye Nduma's Namdekano prophesied, if you claim you love Biafra and you are fighting against that prophecies, because you can't claim you love Biafra, you love Onyendo, you love Simon, I wouldn't love
man that he prophesied, and we are seeing it, Korokoro. It was a prophecy coming to fulfillment. They are fighting it. You think you will succeed? You know, the thing is, what we fail to understand is, the more you fight her, the more you give her more energy, more strength. You know, the more you fight her, the more you keep building her tougher. And I love the way it is going because PM try to, you know, bring everyone together, knowing fully well that these criminals wanted his head. Knowing fully well that these criminals, some of them even wished him that this Biafra would take his head. He still brought them in. Some of them, they want to come and tie it with their DPM. And she, see them crying. Oh, that is why they see the difference between she and the PM. PM this, PM that. And some of them, if you tell them what are you doing now, they tell they are waiting for PM. It's only PM that will. Like what I was saying on this page today. So many of them are waiting for PM to come and tell them, oh, Ngozi Rabezi, I don't know her, and she don't know me. Ngozi Rabezi, I don't know the redirection you did, and the redirection don't know me. So many of them are just patiently waiting to hear that. And then you see them jubilating. But I'm sorry for all of them. Both the IPOB stomach infrastructure, both the ones that have run out. You know, some of them say that they are waiting for Onyendo. But today it has been done on them that it is because of Prime Minister Simonetta that Onyendo was still being kept where he was. It is now done on them, and all of them are nowhere to be found today. Sorry, I'm taking a lot of time, but let me just round up. In conclusion, what I'm just saying is, you can't fight the prophecy of Onyendo, and then you think you will succeed. Umada, and these Umada where are they actually from? And why did PM specifically decide to? These are some of the questions we all need to ask ourselves. And you ask yourself, why are these criminals, why are they not, talking about this? They will be telling you, oh, Nnamdi Kanu say this, oh, Nnamdi Kanu say this. But they have never for once tried to, even the US and the IPOB, the organization group underground diggers, they have never been able to, to push this out. From America. And they have never been able to ask this question. Why did Onyendo Nnamdi Kanu say specifically mention Omada from America? Why? No, they won't and they will never. You know why? Because they know that prophecy has come to fulfillment. And that prophecy is against their evil plots. They will never make mention of it. They know. And prayer will tell them, what you don't know is bigger than you. So, my happiness is we still remain vigilant. We always triumph. No matter what the charge with criminals, reintegrated terrorists are doing, we will comb all of them out. We will comb all of them out. You see, let me just stop for it. Let me stop here for now. I'm even taking this as a space program. But yeah, my brother, let others speak. Maybe if I still have time, if there is time, I will come back home. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, the governor of the state of Ikemba, the deputy, and every one of you. I just say, let me come and appreciate you guys for your good work. Keep it up. We know it's not easy, but we are heading somewhere. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ikemba State, we are blessed. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. What do you get? Irene for standing tall. God bless you. Deputy, do you have anything to tell him?
Thank you very much, my brother. You have said it all.
nọ n'ime na bụ achọrọ m ọ dị home media ụkọ ndị niile nọ here biko ayọ nna ya unu ya pụọ nọ. We really need to start building our state, telling our brothers, all the former Nigerians, anywhere they are, onye ọbụla ebe ọbụla ha nọ, ka fa chọba steeti fa join ba. Ọ ya bụ the most important thing, because ihe a na-eme abụrụgo so n'onye nna ya onye ọbụla ọ ga-adị m mma anọkọtakwa our governor and the deputy a host paper so that it's a kind of program, live program, all these things can have when they create awareness. I am at the media channel. So thank you very much, my brother Greg. Set it off. Okay, kindly bring that your hand. Then transportation. Put your mic and speak to us. You are the final person. Okay, we have the other guy has left. We have after transportation, we have 2 more people to speak up. And 18. Thank you very much. Please make it brief.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Take up that in a moment. What I'm going to talk with you for most of our time. So many people have said a lot. So can you compare to our time? On everything they can learn about that. They can our governor is involved in our meeting. They can have one duty. Spy is best. Spy is best. It's put to the back. One of them one area. They can have our why. They can help my professionals. As well as it offers one day. Offers one day. When the parent on now is on now, governor, the last person of the capacity. People to never hear that they have some plan. Every could be now quiet and war. Or have a very friend. Okay, I am the young artist. We pass it. And I will. So I make you know you are not taking into put on and the kind report. The authority during our meeting today. But first of all, we can move on for some time now. It's for at that time on. At that time on where okay. Good evening from my side. Thank you so much. We can find really wonderful. And thank you very much. I'm going to be about the best of the police because of our time. I was not allowed to speak. I see what the one day. The one day. Very better. You can look
thank you so much, our commissioner for transport. Thank you. The people of Koleba Kazuwango, Afumada Simon Eba. Wow, Honorable Drake, and the car report. Now, Ikemba, Bongo in the Bundo Bobby and a meeting today. Ogabuna Chineke to work. Now, God's will be
His Excellency,
Mazakai, let me talk about something that let me leave from after work, please, Mazakai.
Ganilo.
Because this is my WhatsApp.
All the guy you get when His Excellency, all the network can happy I can not go push for Chorico.
And Ikemba will remain.
On it. On it. On it.
Yeah, actually, put on my WhatsApp number. I will ship my number my to promise to his support. So my phone number is number +97. Good morning, can go on. Yeah, I am speaking already.
Oh yeah, continue.
So the phone number on the send them the account number +9 7.
Okay.
33.
Okay.
60.
60. Okay.
337. That is my WhatsApp number. So okay.
+97.
Yes.
336.
Yes.
051.
Yes.
337.
That is the number. Please, can we replace my pledge immediately without wasting time? I actually want to the Ikemba. So this
Her Excellency, try ya number open organ you make am can for dollar again.
Yes. So you man I marry on you break yet. You man I smoke me put the brother and come out of your more there map on because none of your money so I make it on national. Thank you. My senior comment Mazakai. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will drop you a message on WhatsApp after the program about our movement tomorrow. So please, my people, let us continue to support Governor and the deputy and all the executive because it's not easy at this time around. I want to tell us one thing. He who fights and run lives to fight for tomorrow. And he who remains strong shall become the strongest. Without sentiment, Biafra recognition, but then he has my father's name here, the sacrosanct. Biafra is sacrosanct to recognize it. I'm on every table of the countries that matters, and they are discussing seriously. Now that Nigeria passport has been banned. Now Nigeria has been disconnected. If you look at how Nigeria is, where Nigeria has been banned, America banned Nigeria passport or to enter to America anymore. There is a way that thing can help us to achieve recognition also, but that should be a program we analyze tomorrow. Under international law, there is how it can help us also. So let us know that everything that is happening right now is happening in our own favor for us to achieve Biafra. Look at that for you. All this things was not happening this way, but look at after our declaration. Everything is turning and happening in our own favor. We must continue. Governors, please be strong. Deputy, be strong. When the vice number one, recognition that we grant us to all of us come back and dance in the street like mad people. That's what I'm looking out for. That is why I am doing everything because I understand the impact of declaration. That is why I'm supporting my government. One of those who are seriously. I am a proud United States of Biafra. I don't know about you. In this country where those my friends, my brothers call me a proud United States of Biafra because there is nothing we would talk except that, if not for Biafra. Please don't have anything to discuss anymore. Thank all of you for standing tall. Mazakai, Ada Simon, I greet you, all of you are my senior comrade. When it comes to social media, I am the last born.
Before his seniority, mine like Biafra TV. All of us know my brother. Even naturally before this issue because I'm on mortgage joiner. I've been following the program patiently because always some complaints, which you go na the Zoom you got now is true. Now some people na but this come on, I'm like go on. Biafra TV, Drake is here and that's Simon. This issue of the buy na akupo over from the state in our and with the get go to pure water. Some banana my I would like us to be chipping it in our program. Just like His Excellency said, because there's something like that. He just hit a very important issue, like independent broadcasters. Because again, because in a program in our kind of bakuya nifanego. Before just in bakuya nifanego because it badges on logo. Now go when Chukuba de Buebu. Her Excellency, I greet you, both of you, the governor and the deputy, and all the Ikemba people. Thank you guys for having us today. We really appreciate. S.O.I TV is also sending his greeting to you guys on because I'm a week join, but I'll join on Ogi. So hopefully next time. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Hey, God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. Thank you, people.
I appreciate you for that. I think it's very, very important. It's very important. It's one of them. It's one of them. Thank you for that.
I appreciate this, Bomber. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, my comrade. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Secretary, are you here? Somebody have a go. Those idiots are the pope. We want to lion something. So that person is blocked. Or here. Deputy, go on.
Hello.
Mr. Carry reports.
Okay, yeah. My sister.
Okay. I don't know. We have so many people.
You cannot continue talking. Remove this guy that is disturbing us. Remove this guy, media. This guy will lion of something. He's disturbing the program. Remove him.
Lion.
Yes.
Okay, I've removed I've removed them. Let us go on. Okay, who is speaking now? Okay.
To round up, Bayano. Deputy, when you do your video, on where you're going to go.
Say we are rounding up. No, I don't have anything to. Okay. All right, at the junction, my deputy of the cabinet, let's go. I want to reach. Okay, and I want to appreciate all the Ikemba citizens that this meeting. I want us to know
Okay, in conclusion, thank you all for this wonderful time. Thank you for your wonderful contributions. Thank you for all you have done. And,
for Police America chief, when they go put I know phone here.
I'll send the message. Just send the message in our inbox. Just in on it here another 2000 added to the one or before. So I open a message and this meeting. I'm
gonna make it for one of them.
Put me 50,000 a gemma. Put me 50,000 a gemma. Yeah. So, added to the other one, popular. So,
okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
All right. So, at this junction, at this time, we are calling for adjournments of this meeting. We have tried. I mean, the people are looking to bless us. Okay, who is going for adjournment? Please, they're promoting it. Is anybody hearing what I'm saying? SSGP, are you online? Please.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, we are brought up, so someone should help us in closing prayer. Hello, sir.
Like I said earlier during my speech, Ikemba State has come to stay. We are proud. People are going places and people should continue. More grace to our elbow. You put in your mouth that the whom much is given, much is expected. So now try always say we are very, very proud of the people. The crowd today will revolving door. Or they can send the message. And because of the high kind of money, somebody that went on now, or anybody born now, or then I need to very stop with just like it's not done. They have been paid. But because it's by the way, we're not trying. I'm going to have the argument that it's one export. I don't see you here. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to you all. I'm tired about normally. Okay, you buy the body also. So that can light whether in our night. But I just want to make too much here. I took for that so in 2 weeks, by God's grace, I am going to come what me. They will see.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very, very much. Mazi, Chief. Chief Okwele, but I don't know where I will start taking you, but all the same, the Spirit of Biafra will continue to uphold with you and keep on strengthening you in all you do, in your businesses, in your dreams. Fact, only God of Biafra will reward you. And well, so we are ending this meeting. I am seeking for adjournment of this meeting.
Okay, thank you so much, Information Commissioner. Ekene m onye ọbụla ekele sị m ndị wetesịrị ego ekele sị m ndị kwuru okwu my show card and my address when I didn't contribute to and then because I like I don't know my governor I don't know when I was before I okay. Okay, let somebody lead us in prayer.
Okay, thank you. Move adjournment. They can now honorable Ole move go for adjournment.
Who will support it now, guys? Okay, our access is a community. All right. Closing prayer. Father in heaven, King of Kings, I am that I am. We thank you for today. We thank you for all you are doing in our life. Thank you for protection. Thank you for families. Thank you for all your cares, your love towards your children, towards our nation, towards our life. And I say, may you come and continue to bless each and every one of us and keep us alive, even as we are about to witness the final end of the year of 2025. We shall also see the new year and also see the end and see many years to come. And then our nation will triumph in all circumstances. Our students, wherever they are, God will continue to bless them and lead them against our enemies, against all the banditry, against all the terrorist country, the Republic of country. And I thank God Almighty that at this time, at this junction, that they are all seeing what is happening. I say God to continue to uphold our governors and the deputy secretaries and commissioners of the state, and may God continue to work with them, all the county heads, all the district heads. May God continue to increase us in number and open the minds of those who were seeking for them to realize what we are doing. In our next meeting, and also bless all the media departments who have joined us today. Bless all the viewers those who have joined us and bless what we are doing today, both in YouTube, Facebook, and Esando. May God continue to bless each and every one of us. And at the end, we shall all sing glory and celebrate the full restoration of our country. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. Say,
Thank you so much. Secretary, the one of our brother, no Brazil, made donation 30 again. The name about him. No one can come and forward to me.